Alright, so this video that you guys about to watch is about 2 years old. So I was randomly looking on my laptop and I thought I lost this video, but I found a bunch of old stuff. So I'm just gonna be throwing these clips together and throwing together like my old vlogs and posting those just to post them because I forgot about them. Well, actually, I thought I lost them. I thought they got deleted somehow, but I just found them, so we're gonna post those. Right now, I'm about to head to a little car meet. It's a little car meet going on about a half hour from here, so just cleaned my headlights. They look much better. Alright, so here at the meet spot, we're about to cruise to the actual meet. Pretty decent cars here. I'm actually gonna race this 335i M54. Say he's making around 18 pounds of boost, so we'll see what the Cam LS3 will do. It's my first kind of official race, I guess, with the Cam, so we'll see. was another pretty good run, I'd say. Not bad for LS2. Alright, so here we are. Pulling up to the meet. Thing is clean. Transport and C7 high rim. It's clean. Bags. Bag setup. Some clean cars out here. Lambo. Giving up. This thing is clean. You can't really see because it's dark, but looks good. 370. Bike. C7, Z06, another C7. This thing's clean too. Look what happened.
I was gonna get yours, but then I see the damn focus in front of it. You bring your ass up there, man.
Alright, so I'm on the way back home now. It was a nice little cruise, nice meet.